Hello everyone, I am Mehdi, your host, and today we are diving into one of the fundamental tools of operations management 5S. If you are in manufacturing, business operations, or just looking to streamline your workplace, this methodology can be a game changer. In this video, we will cover what 5S is, how it can impact your business, a step by step guide to implementing it. So let's get started. 5S first originated from Japan as part of the Toyota production system, who is a pioneers of lean manufacturing. Toyota integrated 5S in their Toyota production system a decades ago. In their factories, 5S led to spotless, highly organized assembly lines where tools are always at hand, reducing worker movement and errors. For instance, by sorting and setting in order, they have minimized inventory waste, achieving just in time production. The shine and standardized steps ensure equipment maintenance in proactive and cutting down time. Now, 5S is the part of their DNA, resulting in higher vehicle quality, faster production cycles, and billions in cost savings. So first thing first, what exactly is 5S? 5S is a systematic approach of workplace organization to workplace organize and make it standardized. The name comes from five Japanese words starting from Seiri, Seiton, Seisō, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. In English, we often translate them in short, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. So let's dig into it. First is sort. Go through your workplace and remove everything that is unnecessary. List all the items that you have in your operations area and then ask yourself, do I need this item? If not, get rid of it and relocate it to another place in case you can use it for any other task. Second is set in order. Organize the remaining items so they are easy to find and use. Organize them logically, like how Super Shop organize their huge collections so that these are easy to access. Think levels, shadows on toolboard, and logical layouts. A place for everything and everything in place. Third is shine. Clean the area thoroughly and keep it that way. This isn't just about aesthetics. It prevents unintentional depreciation of your items. It helps to spot issues early, like leaks or wear. 4 is standardize. Create common set of rules and procedures to maintain the first 3S. Use checklists, schedules, and visual aids to make organization second nature. Discuss with all of your colleagues about the possibilities and train them to set a common standard. Last is sustain. Make 5S a habit through practice, audits, and continuous improvement. Regular meetings and training should happen between you and your colleagues, as this is the toughest part, turning it into the company's culture. 5S is just not for factories. It applies for offices, hospitals, even for your home garage. Now, how does 5S impact a business? The effects are profound and measurable. By eliminating waste, you implement 5S. You are not likely to spend your valuable time in search of an item. You are not likely to spend your money to keep excess inventory. You are not likely to have an accident for unsafe working condition caused by unwanted object spreading here and there. 5S boosts efficiency and productivity. Studies show that it can reduce setup times by up to 50%. Cut defects and lower costs. Safety improves too. With fewer accidents in a clutter-free environments, morale goes up because of employees feel empowered in an organized space, leading to better retention and innovation. For manufacturing industries, it means faster throughput, higher quality output, and a competitive edge in lean operations. Overall, businesses see a return of investment through reduced downtime, optimized space, streamlined processes, turning chaos into controlled excellence. Now let's talk about how you can implement 5S in your business or manufacturing setup. Here is a practical guide. Remember, this is iterative. Start small, like with one department, and scale up. First, plan and train. Assemble a cross-functional team, including frontline workers. Train everyone about 5S principles. Set clear goals, like reducing search time by 20%. Second, start the short phase. Audit all the area. Use red tags for items to question or remove. Then donate those items which are unnecessary. Third phase, set in order. Map out the workflow. Arrange tools and materials based on frequency and use, closest to the point of need. Implement visual controls like floor markings, labels, and shadow board. Shine phase. Deep clean everything. Schedule regular cleaning routines and inspection to prevent buildup. Standardize phase. Document processes in visual standards like standard operating procedures or checklists. Make sure everyone follows them consistently. Phase sustain. Conduct a regular audit, perhaps weekly at first. Recognize successes, provide feedback, and integrate 5S into performance reviews. Use tools like 5S scorecards to track progresses. Final step, review and improve. After a few months, evaluate results and metrics like productivity rates or error reductions. Adjust as needed and expand to other areas. Now, here is a professional tip. Involve leadership with before and after photos to motivate your team. So there you have it, a 5S demystified. Implementing it takes commitment, but the payoffs is efficiency, safety, and profits are worth it. If you are starting your 5S journey, share your experience and thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for contents like this and hit the bell for more operations related videos. Thanks for watching. Let's make your workplace lean and mean.